Hello, this is how you use the two tools in Minecraft to make matter. So the first one you need, hit the E key to pull up your menu. That is going to be the element constructor. So just start typing in the word here, element, and then you can click and just drag it over here. Once it's in your inventory, you can hit the 1 key to pull it up, and then right click to place it, click again to use it. All this does is, as long as you put in the correct number of subatomic particles, it will make the atom that you want. So for example, if you wanted carbon, you could do 6 protons. Oops. Right. You can do 6 electrons. You can also just type it in like this. And then if we do 6 neutrons, you get carbon here. You can see the atom is correct, and it also makes the square pop up, which you can also drag over here if you want. So yeah, any element this works with, and then it's neat because the neutrons can vary a little bit but still count as the element because of the different isotopes. The other tool you're going to use, if you hit E again and search up compound, is the compound creator, which looks like this. And when you place this one, right click again to place it and use it. It's got little blocks here for you to put different elements in, and if you make the right element, you will get some kind of compound out here. So we can use this to make water. You can make the elements in the element constructor like this, or if you're in creative mode, you can also just search the elements. So we're just going to try to make water. We'll do hydrogen, and we'll also do oxygen. Drag it over. Okay. When you're using stuff like this in Minecraft, if you're holding something and you do a right click, you can just drop one of the item, whereas if you left click, it drops all of them. So if you just want H2O, you've got to drag this and right click twice. And then oxygen, do once. And then if you made it right, we have our little glass of water right here, which you can take out and do whatever you want with it. You can throw it on the ground.